Since establishment in Shenzhen in 2000, we have remained dedicated to the research, development, and manufacturing of our RFID smart cards and our RFID wristbands, our RFID tags, providing one-stop customized solutions to clients worldwide. From humble beginnings to steady growth, we have continuously pushed technological boundaries and optimized our production systems to ensure more stable quality and more efficient delivery. Our products cover a wide range of our RFID application fields, including our RFID laser cards and our RFID prepaid gaming cards, combining premium visual effects with reliable chip performance, widely used in entertainment, membership, and payment systems. Our RFID labels, available in various materials and encapsulation formats. Professional tag testing equipment ensures higher product quality. Our RFID countdown wristbands, integrating vibration reminders and LED indicators, widely used in amusement parks and time-based charging scenarios, enhancing user experience while showcasing Meihe's continuous innovation. Over the years, we have served clients across the globe, earning long-term trust and strong partnerships through stable quality and professional services. Today, we gather not only to celebrate, but also to express our gratitude. We sincerely thank every customer for your support and trust. Thank our company's forward-looking strategy and commitment to innovation. And thank every member of Meihe for your dedication and hard work. Ni hao, making our RFID more reliable.